Welcome to this training session focused on Amazon Config, an essential AWS service designed for assessing, auditing, and evaluating the configurations of your AWS resources. Today, we will delve into the functionality, uses, benefits, pricing, and service quotas of Amazon Config, equipping you with the knowledge to effectively utilize this tool in your AWS environment. What is Amazon Config? Amazon Config is a service that offers continuous monitoring, auditing, and assessment of your AWS resource configurations. It helps ensure that your AWS resources are compliant with your internal policies and external regulations. Key use cases: streamline operational troubleshooting and change management, track resource changes and troubleshoot operational issues effectively. Deploy a compliance as code framework, automate compliance checks against desired configurations. Continual audit for security monitoring and analysis, enhance security by continuously monitoring and recording your AWS resource configurations. Benefits and features: continuous monitoring, automatically record configurations and changes, providing a detailed inventory of your AWS resources. Continuous assessment, evaluate your resource configurations for desired settings. Change management, track changes in configurations and relationships among AWS resources. Operational troubleshooting, quickly identify and rectify issues with resource configurations. Conformance packs, pre-built or custom templates for compliance evaluation. Aggregators, view and manage configurations across multiple accounts and regions. Advanced queries, dive deep into your resource configuration data with SQL-like queries. AWS Config pricing. Rule evaluations, charged based on the number of AWS Config rule evaluations. Conformance pack evaluations, charged per conformance pack evaluation in your account. Example pricing: first 100,000 rule evaluations is $0.001 per rule evaluation per region. Then first 100,000 conformance pack evaluations is $0.001 per conformance pack evaluation per region. Service quotas. Maximum number of AWS config rules per region per account is 400. This is adjustable. And maximum number of saved queries in a single account and a region is 300, and it is also adjustable. Hands-on practice. We are in the AWS console window now. Go to the Services drop-down menu, and find Management and Governance Services. On the right side of the drop-down menu, find Config, then open the link Config in a new tab. We are now in the AWS Config main dashboard now. Here we can see conformance packs by compliance score, compliance status section, which at the moment we don't have rules and resources yet. We have non-compliant rules by non-compliant resource count section. Also, we have resource inventory section, AWS Config usage metrics section, AWS Config success metrics section. Now let's go to Conformance Packs tab, then Rules tab, Resources tab, then let's check Aggregators section. Next is Settings section, please check on it, and that's all for our short AWS Config user interface review. How it works for AWS Config. AWS Config records and normalizes changes to resources into a consistent format. It helps manage resources by discovering them, recording configurations, understanding relationships, and capturing changes. Users can evaluate resource compliance with custom and managed AWS Config rules both before and after provisioning. AWS Config simplifies deployment of multiple rules and remediations across accounts or regions with conformance packs. It facilitates operational troubleshooting, compliance auditing, change management, and security monitoring for enhanced governance and control over AWS infrastructure. Amazon Config is a robust tool that offers comprehensive insights into your AWS resource configurations, ensuring operational efficiency, security, and compliance. By leveraging Amazon Config, you can automate compliance checks, streamline change management, and enhance operational troubleshooting, thereby making your cloud environment more secure, compliant, and efficiently managed. Harness the power of Amazon Config to maintain an optimal and compliant AWS environment, ensuring that your resources are configured according to the best practices and regulatory standards.